Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel English Superstars. Today we are going to talk about nouns. It's a very quick and short video to learn about nouns. So, noun is a naming word. It names a person, animal, place or thing. Now all the things that we see around us are noun. For example, fruits, vegetables, flowers, birds, dresses, foods and drinks, they are all nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Now let's see some examples. Pakistan, fizza, zen, sparrow, apple, van, fan, bag, school, they are all nouns. Names of persons, for example, girl, boy, Zainab, Sarah, and boys like Ali, Umar, teacher, student, mother, father, doctor, shopkeeper, they are all nouns. Now names of animals and birds like cat, dog, bear, zebra, lion, parrot, monkey, and duck, they are all nouns. Names of places like library, house, park, zoo, mall, cities and countries, they are all nouns. Names of things like pencils, board, bookshelf, chair, table, ball, they are all nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.